one of the most important text editor right now is Sublime Text, I believe that. And you can use it in Mac, PC, or Linux operating system, and it has snaps, which is very important to use it for those programming that they want to write it. Let me show you how you can use it and how can you download it. First of all, you best go to sublimetext.com. It's right here. Just go right there and download it by base of the what operating system you have. And when you download it, it comes to this type of the Windows. So I already downloaded, so here it is how I'm going to use it. First of all, when you want to use it, go and create a file, create one file and call it, and because I'm using that HTML right now, I want to show you about HTML. So I will save it on desktop. So I'm going to save it desktop, but I'm going to make a new folder and make this folder Sublime. Okay, once, because it already exists. And after I create that folder, I save it, and let's just save on this one. Let me have another file, and I call this one, I save it under the same folder. I call it one or index HTML. Okay, let's see how does this beautifully works. If right now I want to write a HTML, I have to write, okay, I have to type here HTML. I have to write it HTML, and I have to have a closing. When you write that one, you have to have a closing. Every tag that you open it has a closing. And then after that is going to be head. And then again, I have a closing there. And after that, it's going to be between head is, is going to be the title. So I title and a closing title. So already we have it on title, that is, title of the site that you put it. I don't know why they put it K here, but we have to delete that K. So, and between this title, you put the name of the first page. Here is the index, index page. I put it index for that one. And then after that, I have the body. Body is the most important, on the HTML code, and I close it. Now, to use that one for, if I want to write here 10 paragraph on the first time, what I can do it, I don't have to write it again, just I write it P tab and it comes. I don't have to do it anymore, See, I wrote right now HTML and close it, but if just simple, I do it one more time here and I see that. If just I press here and I go to tools and I go to command plate or snap and just put HTML. See, everything just comes here. Whatever that I have to type in, whatever that I type here, it came already here. So the heading, everything. Only thing that is, look at the browser is right here. Only thing that I have to write it, the title of this website. So if I want to write it as an index, I put an index and that's it. So that's the beauty of Sublime. I don't have to type everything. It's going to be frustrating. Of course, for learning is a good process, but it's reality when you continue to coding, you want to make everything much more shorter. There are a few things that we have to know. For example, if right now I want to have a listing, usually you know that the listing is going to be that. So if I want to have an order listing, just I write an order, and I want under this an order I have list, and I want to have how many? I want to have 5 of that an order list. And then what I want to have, I want to have again. So if I just click that one, it's all and tap it, see what will happen. It came 5 for me. It came 5 URL thing with that. So I have to go to the next one, and then I have to close it here and close it and close it. Right now I have, only thing I have to do, I have to have, where does it go? If it's contact, I have to write it here. For example, it's a home, I will write it home, and then here I have contact. And if in this contact go to contact list or site, I have to, I create before a contact page which is called contact.html, and it straight goes there. So that is the beauty of Sublime. There are so many other things that we can do for Sublime that I'm going to go step by step to teach you. See you next